Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So, oh jeez. Say something. Say something, Seven. Oh, God. Hi everyone. Okay, yeah, Papa, we have to get serious now. Yeah, so today I'm about to prepare something special. Okay, yeah, something regular in a very special way. Egusi soup or her soup. They are regular, but I prepare them in the most special way. Okay, Papa. Oh, yeah, I'll get you something to eat. Hold on, please. I have to attend to my little boy. Here we have the goat meat. Yeah, that's my favorite meat. Goat meat. And this is a dry fish. This is dried catfish. And this is beef tripe, beef skin. And here is the egusi, blended egusi. This is a blended onion and pepper. This is the vegetable we'll be using for today, ugu. And of course, seasoning and crayfish. So let's do this. First off, you put your empty pot on fire, and the first thing that will be going in is your goat meat or any kind of protein you wish to use, and then the tripe and the cow skin that we call the ponmo. Then the next thing is the onion and pepper. You mix them, and then you add some seasoning cubes. Here I'm using 2 pairs of seasoning cubes, whatever that means. Yes, so you add your seasoning cubes, you stir and stir, cover your pot and allow it to cook. Yeah, just like this. Just stir it, cover your pot and allow it to cook. Remember, I've got a secret recipe that I want to share with you all. Yeah, it's just a way of making my egusi have the desired texture the way I want it to be like, and not it looking like some kind of, yeah. So here it is. This is it. And then yeah, eggs. I'm going to mix this egg to this egusi. Yes, it does magic. You all see it now. So this is it. I'm going to be adding a little bit of seasoning. Not everything, just a little bit. I've still got some hair. And then I will wash my hand and mix it. Mix it until I start seeing oil, until the egusi or melon start producing oil. So the egg helps it to bring out the oil in it. Do you get? See this? Are you seeing the oil? Yeah. Yeah, that is what the egg does to it. See? Yeah. So this is how I prep my egusi. Let's go back to the main food. Can you see that the meat is cooked to a reasonable extent? Then it's time to add the dried fish. You stir and keep stirring. Remember, I've not added water, so at this point I'll be adding my water. Yeah. So you add it according to the way you like. So here is the crayfish going in right now. And the next thing is your palm oil from Sokem Foods, by the way. The best you can find in the United Kingdom. So right now I'm adding my egusi. Yeah, you see? So here is our final secret ingredient. Yeah, this. I'm going to roughly blend it and add it in the soup. But it's going to be the second to the last thing I'll add. But I'll be adding together with the pumpkin leaf right there. So yeah. And here is the final phase of the soup. It's time to add pumpkin leaf. You add it and you stir it, and your soup is done. Yeah, I don't cook the pumpkin leaf at all. I just add it and then allow the heat of the soup to cook it. So I turned off the fire before when I added it. Yeah, so this is the final result. So let me know in the comment section, which swallow will you be pairing with this? Which swallow? Fufu, poundo, eba, semo, sorry, semo, oatmeal, whatever. Just let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. I love you all.